How are you, sister?
আমি ভালো।
বাংলা বলতে পারেন? How you learn বাংলা?
Because someone teaching me that.
Oh, so you have friend from Bangladesh?
Yeah, he's from Rangimita, like that place.
Rangamati.
Rangamati.
Oh, that's why you speak Bangla. Oh, it surprised me when you speak Bangla.
Mm.
So,
So, you're content creator or make video like that?
especially I develop my speaking skill. That's why I'm here. Sometime
Oh,
I record video.
okay.
So, what do you do in your life?
I'm working now.
What kind of work you are doing now? Can I see?
I'm working sell that mobile and something internet data like that.
Oh, you sell mobile phone and internet package.
Yeah.
So it's your own shop?
No. There is my friend's shop. So she to take her this shop. She believed with me to take her this shop.
Oh, that's great. You are married? Or
No,
so
I'm
you,
still single.
oh, okay. So you
Just thinking one be single now. I don't want to have any relationship.
so are you happy with your single life or you wanna make a mingle?
I'm happy. When I have much money, so no need everyone with me.
If you earn much money, you don't need anyone.
Yeah.
Oh my god. And I know Indonesia is a Muslim country, right?
Yeah.
So how is life in there?
Life
Yeah, in Indonesia.
just like that is not a have special life. But when it's Ramadan coming, of course here it's like big day for
Oh,
3 days.
it's your holiday in Ramadan?
We have when Ramadan come, it's will long day doing that Ramadan.
So when Ramadan is coming, are you fasting?
I'm fasting. I'm Muslim, so of course I'm fasting.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Nice to hear that. So it's absolutely fantastic.
Why not fasting? If you be Muslim, so you need doing that